Across the ancient highlands of Ethiopia, one voice has echoed across generations, a voice of love, a voice of unity, a voice of resistance and hope. That voice belongs to Teddy Afro. And now, with a powerful new musical vision called Etorika, he once again carries Ethiopia onto the global stage. But this is more than music. It is history reborn through rhythm, culture transformed into sound, and Africa speaking to the world. Born as Kasahan Lima, Teddy Afro emerged during a period of deep social and political transformation in Ethiopia. At a young age, he developed a passion for Ethiopian music, poetry, and storytelling. Inspired by legends of Ethiopian music and influenced by reggae, soul, and African rhythms, he created a unique artistic identity. Unlike many artists, Teddy Afro did not simply entertain, he challenged society to think. His songs explored love, peace, national unity, African pride, and historical consciousness. And millions listened. Teddy Afro's music crossed borders far beyond Ethiopia. His songs became popular across East Africa, West Africa, Europe, and North America. For many Africans, his music represented something deeper, a celebration of African identity. When Etorika was released, the response was immediate. Millions streamed the project online within hours. Social media exploded with discussion. Fans described it as inspirational, emotional, spiritual, and unifying. Etorika is not simply an album or song. It is a cultural statement. The title itself symbolizes a fusion between Ethiopia, Africa, and global artistic identity. The project connects Ethiopia's ancient civilization with modern global culture. It tells Africa's story through music. One of the most remarkable aspects of Etorika is its musical composition. Teddy Afro blends traditional Ethiopian Kennet scales, Ethiopian jazz, reggae, soul, Afrobeat influences, and modern world music production. The Kennet system forms the foundation of Ethiopian traditional music. Its unique tonal structures create emotional depth. These scales include tizita, badi, anchihoy, and ambassal, creating a sound unlike any other musical tradition in the world. By combining these ancient sounds with modern production, Teddy Afro creates music that feels both timeless and international. The influence of Ethiopian jazz is also central to Etorika. This genre combines traditional melodies with jazz harmony. Etorika modernizes Ethiopian jazz for a new generation. At the heart of Etorika lies Pan-Africanism, the belief that African people share a common history, struggle, and destiny. Through his lyrics and imagery, Teddy Afro calls for African unity, cultural pride, and healing historical divisions. For many listeners, Etorika became more than entertainment. It became a symbol of hope. Throughout his career, Teddy Afro has consistently emphasized love and reconciliation. Etorika continues this philosophy. The project encourages Ethiopians and Africans to reject division, embrace compassion, and remember shared humanity. In times of tension and conflict, music can become a bridge, and Etorika attempts to build that bridge. Another powerful theme within Etorika is historical remembrance. The project connects modern audiences to Ethiopia's ancient legacy. For Ethiopian youth, the music reinforces national identity, cultural confidence, and historical awareness. It reminds listeners that Ethiopia's story is not only ancient, it is still alive. The visual presentation of Etorika also elevated its global impact. High-quality cinematography, costume design, lighting, and symbolism transformed the project into a cinematic experience. The visuals balance tradition and modernity, Ethiopia and Africa, heritage and innovation. Etorika demonstrates that Ethiopian music can compete on the world stage while preserving cultural authenticity. It proves that African stories do not need imitation. They already possess global power. The project introduces millions of international listeners to Ethiopian language, sound, philosophy, and history. In many ways, Teddy Afro serves as a cultural ambassador for Ethiopia and Africa. His music carries identity across borders, not through politics, but through emotion, rhythm, and storytelling. Etorika represents cultural diplomacy, African artistic excellence, and global African identity. From the ancient highlands of Ethiopia to listeners around the world, Etorika has become more than music. It is memory. It is identity. It is Africa speaking in its own voice. And through that voice, Teddy Afro continues to leave an indelible mark on global culture. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more stories exploring African music, culture, history, and identity.